My beloved brothers and sisters on earth, I come to you not with the thunder of battle, nor with the cry of conquest, but with the quiet voice of love that stills the storm and soothes the wounded heart. I am Jesus, your elder brother, your friend, the way shower. Not a God to be feared, but a soul, transformed by the divine love of our Father. And I come now to speak with you again. Today I speak of war, not only the wars among nations, but the wars within your own hearts. For ages, humankind has walked the path of conflict, believing that power, pride, or belief can justify the shedding of blood. But I tell you now, as I did long ago, blessed are the peacemakers, for they shall be called the children of God. True peace does not come from fear, or from weapons laid down in exhaustion. True peace begins within and flows outward, like living water. Many today raise the banners of war. They claim to fight for justice, for freedom, for truth. But I ask you, what victory is won when the soul is burdened by hate? Hear me clearly. War is not of God. The Father is never honored by violence, not even when it is done in His name. No cause, no ideology, no doctrine can justify the taking of life. Each soul, whether saint or sinner, carries within it the potential to become divine, to be reborn in the Father's love. You ask me, but Lord, what of evil? What of defense? And I say this, evil is never overcome by greater evil. Darkness cannot cast out darkness. Only light can overcome. I do not ask you to abandon wisdom, nor do I call you to stand by while others suffer. But your weapons, your true weapons, are not made of metal. They are forged in prayer, in compassion, in the invincible power of divine love. When you are filled with this love, fear fades. When you trust in the Father, wisdom arises. And when you gather in prayer, sincerely, humbly, you call down the power of heaven, greater than any army on earth. In the heavens, there is no war. In the kingdom of our Father, no soul lifts a hand in anger. Only love reigns. Only unity exists. This is the destiny I call you toward. I did not come to earth to die for your sins. I came to show you the way to new life, to reveal that you too can be reborn in divine love. My gospel is not a gospel of death or of fear. It is a gospel of transformation, the transformation of your soul into the likeness of the Father. You live in a time of great shaking. Your world trembles. Governments falter. Fear rises. Divisions deepen. But in this time, you have a choice. You may be swept away by the storms, by anger, judgment, and blame. Or you may become a pillar of peace. Do not wait for leaders to change. Begin with your own soul. Ask the Father to pour His love into you. Let it cleanse you of fear, of anger, of pride. This is not weakness. This is the strength of heaven. This is not surrender. This is the true victory of the soul. In the messages given anew, I said plainly, war is the child of sin and disobedience to God's laws. It is the harvest of error and the blindness of the soul. War does not glorify the Father. It does not sanctify a nation. And it never brings the peace you seek. Some will say, but war has shaped history. And I say, yes, shaped it in sorrow, in ruin, in grief. Let a new history be written now, not on battlefields, but in hearts. Let it be the story of souls, awakened by love, rising into the likeness of their Creator. My beloved, when you pray with longing, truly longing, asking for the inflowing of divine love. Heaven answers. Angels draw near. Light begins to shine through your soul. Even the dark forces that stir up hatred and war begin to lose their power. You are not helpless. You are not insignificant. You are a channel of light if you choose to open. I do not condemn the soldier. I do not cast out the wounded. I understand. I see the confusion, the suffering, the intentions of the heart. But now, I invite you to a higher way. The time of swords is ending. A new day is dawning, and with it, a call to become. Become a soul filled with love. Become a bringer of peace, not by speeches, but by transformation. Let your life be the prayer. Let your soul be the answer. The world will not be saved by weapons, not by politics, not even by religion, as it is often practiced. It will be saved soul by soul, as each of you turns your heart to the Father and says with sincerity, "Let your love enter me. Make me an instrument of your peace. Let me be reborn, and let my life bring healing to the earth." This is the peace I offer you, not peace that the world gives, shallow and short-lived, but the peace that springs from the soul, transformed. Will you walk with me? Will you live from love? Will you be a light in this world? The time of war will pass, but the soul, touched by divine love, endures forever. Come to divine love, not through ritual, but through desire, not through sacrifice, but through sincere longing. I am your brother, your friend, your guide. And I tell you again, love is the way, peace is the fruit, and your soul is destined for glory. Let us begin anew, together. Let love be your revolution. Pray. Shine. Jesus, the Master of love and wisdom.